Hola y bienvenidos a Spring Spanish. Yo soy Juan, I am Juan, and I am one of the Spring Spanish teachers at Spring Spanish. In this video, te enseñaré cómo hablar de tus pasatiempos en español. I'll teach you how to speak about your hobbies in Spanish. So no matter if you're an aficionado del fútbol, a soccer fan, or you're more into leer, reading, or tocar la guitarra, playing the guitar. After watching this video, you'll be able to tell everyone about your pasión, your passion in Spanish. ¡Acompáñenme! A great way to find things in common with someone, to make friends, or just have una linda conversación en español, a nice conversation in Spanish, is to talk about your pasatiempos, hobbies. Whether you like simple and common things like sports, music, outdoors activities, or very quirky and eccentric things like collecting Mesopotamian emerald swords, you need how to express your passion in Spanish. Let's see some ways to do this. A common and general expression to talk about something you like is me gusta. This is how it works. Me gusta la música. I like music. Singular and feminine, so we use me gusta la. Me gustan los deportes. I like sports. In this case, it's plural and masculine, and thus we use me gustan los. Me gustan las carreras de motos. I like motorcycle racing. Also plural but feminine, so we use me gustan las. If you're wondering how to properly use the género de los sustantivos, the noun gender, go and check my friend Maria Fernanda's video about that. You'll learn muy rápido, really fast. So let's say you like soccer, pero además de eso, but besides that, you actually practice it. How would you say that in Spanish? Let's see. Me gusta practicar tenis. I like to practice tennis. Me gusta jugar ajedrez. I like to play chess. Me gusta tocar el piano. I like to play piano. So as you can see, you can use the verbs practicar, jugar, and tocar to express you actually like to do something as your hobby. Practicar is normally used for sports or hobbies that require discipline like music or arts. Jugar means something similar but not so rigid, and tocar is used to specifically playing instruments or music styles like tocar la batería or tocar salsa. Although I guess if your hobby is touching people, you can also use tocar gente, but please don't do that. Seriously, stop. Now, if you really like something and you're passionate about it, you can use me encanta. I love. Mi favorito es. My favorite is. Es mi pasión. Is my passion. And soy fanático de, or soy fanática de. I'm a fan of. Let's see how to use these expressions. Me encantan los deportes. Soy fanático del fútbol. Mi equipo favorito es el Boca Juniors. I love sports. I'm a soccer fan. My favorite team is Boca Juniors. Me encanta jugar videojuegos. Mi favorito es Final Fantasy VII. I love to play video games. My favorite is Final Fantasy VII. By the way, this one is true. Final Fantasy VII is the best. I'll fight you over it. Soy fanático de la cocina. Mi favorita es la cocina caribeña. I'm a fan of cooking. My favorite is Caribbean food. Buen trabajo! Good job! Now that you know how to speak about your hobbies, I'll give you some common examples of hobbies in Spanish. Let's check them. Jugar basket. To play basketball. Patinar. To skate. either skateboards or roller skates. Acampar, to camp. Aprender idiomas, to learn languages. Viajar, to travel. Bailar, to dance. Mirar series, to watch TV series. Now, a couple of facts about me. I'm actually a nerd, a writer, and a musician. I even have a band and play percussion there. So I can say, la música es mi pasión. Me encanta tocar la batería. Tengo una banda. Music is my passion. I love to play the drums. I have a band. By now, you know how to talk about your pasatiempos, hobbies. But if you want to keep the conversation moving around this topic, you can use the following expressions to ask the other person what they like. ¿A ti qué te gusta hacer? What do you like? ¿Cuál es tu pasatiempo? What's your hobby? ¿Cuál es tu favorito? ¿Cuál es tu favorita? What's your favorite? Genial! Now you know how to speak about your hobbies in Spanish. Please tell me in the comments, ¿cuál es tu pasatiempo favorito? What's your favorite hobby? We have a whole series of Spanish beginner videos, so feel free to check out the other videos from me and the other Spring Spanish teachers on our YouTube channel. Now, if you're ready to take it a step further and get serious about learning Spanish, we have a free Spanish training on our website where you'll discover the methods we use in our Spring Spanish Academy to teach students to speak fluent Spanish. You also get some free sample Spanish lessons there that come straight from our academy. So if you're interested, just click in the link in the description to sign up. Adios! Don't forget to subscribe, drop a like, and share this video with your friends.